Stress is indeed a normal physiological, psychological response that the body experiences when it encounters changes, challenges, or demand. It can manifest various ways. It includes physical, emotional, and intellectual responses. Stress responses are a natural part of human physiology, serving as vital mechanism to help us adapt to new situations and challenges. Positive stress, often referred to as eustress, can be beneficial for keeping us alert, motivated, and prepared to face potential dangers. However, stress can turn problematic when stressors persist without a period of relief or relaxation. This chronic stress can have harmful effect on both our physical and mental health, potentially leading to range of issues. Physical symptoms include body ache, chest pain, rising heart rate, headache, dizziness, increased blood pressure, stomach and digestive problem, weak immune system. Emotional and mental symptoms include anxiety, depression, irritability, panic attack, and sadness. In Ayurveda, stress is linked to imbalance in Tridosha, that is Vata, Pitta, Kapha. If Vata dosha is dominant, you must experience anxiety and overthinking. For Pitta, stress can lead to anger and irritability. For Kapha, can cause lethargy and emotional heaviness. When it comes to stress management, the body and mind are intertwined with one mirroring another. Mental state frequently underline many physical health concerns. Ayurveda's approach to managing stress priorities, easing nervous system tension and enhancing overall body relaxation. The therapies include Svedana, Abhyanga, Shirodhara, Pirichil, Navarakiri according to the condition of the patient and can done Panchakarma therapies like Vamana, Virejana, two type of Vasti and Nasya. It remove toxin at deep level and leading to mental clarity and calm mind. Panchakarma rejuvenated the body and mind and slow aging boost vitality. Other than the treatment, you should follow a healthy lifestyle like proper sleep, healthy diet, regular and gentle exercise, meditation. Along with this, practicing yogasana are also beneficial for stress. You can practice yogasana like balasana, shavasana, and pranayama. These yogasana help relaxation of the body and calm mind. For further information about stress management, you can speak with your doctor on number shown below.